Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sell USDT on Bitget. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Bitget, you can provide your email or mobile number, or just continue logging in using your Google account, your Apple account, your Telegram account, and you can also connect your wallet. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, once you are here selling USDT on Bitget, a cryptocurrency exchange platform for those who are new here, can offer several advantages for you. Because number one, Bitget is a reputable exchange with a significant user base, providing ample liquidity for trading USDT. This means you can easily sell your USDT without facing liquidity issues. Of course, Bitget employs a robust security measures to protect users' funds and personal information, providing a secure environment for trading cryptocurrencies including USDT. Now, once you are here on your dashboard, just click on the Buy Crypto right here and just click on the P2P trading. Okay, and from here, as you can see, that Bitget offers various trading options including spot trading, futures trading, and margin trading. This allows you to choose the trading method that best suits your preferences and risk tolerance when selling USDT. And from here, all you have to do is hover to the sell section. Right, so you have all this information. Basically, Bitget charges competitive trading fees, as you can see it from here, compared to other exchanges, which can help maximize your profits when selling USDT. Now, from here, all you're gonna do is click on the payment methods. Now, you have to choose the payment method that you have. You can use Western Union, Easy Paisa, ShopeePay, bank transfer, Union Bank, Metro Bank, BDO, BPI, GCash, and a lot more. Now, I'm gonna hover to my bank account. I need to log it in. I need to log into my Western Union account, and once I've done that, I need to hover again to my Bitget. Now, once I'm here, I selected the Western Union right here. I'm gonna click on it later, but you need to choose the currency that you are selling. Obviously, that's going to be USDT, and put some amount for the selling amount. Say, for example, it's going to be 1,000, and you can choose the type of currency that you wanted. Right now, I'm using USD, all right? But it's up to you what you want to do. Now, from here, after that, all you have to do is, again, click on the option for you to use for the payment methods. Say, for example, I'm going to be using Zelle. So you have all these options to sell here, right? Remember to conduct thorough research and consider your individual investment goals, risk tolerance, and the current market conditions before selling USDT or any other cryptocurrency on Bitget or any exchange. And once you've done that, all you're going to do is click on sell. And from here, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. That's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.